Hello everybody, how are you doing? Let's continue on Angular coding. In this session, let's take a look how we can do translate in our Angular application. So first we need to install this translate package. So we need to go to package.json, put this line, this is the translate package. And this is the React extension JavaScript. This one we need use the observable object from this package for the custom translate loader. We go to take a look at the loader here. So we need this loader to provide the corresponding language object. For example, if it's Chinese, it will retain the Chinese object, the English object, and French object as well. By default, it's English object. Then at the end, we call observer.complete. It will finish this get translation interface implementation for this custom translate loader. And for these three objects are from three files under this SS folder. For Chinese, it contains the key for the translate, and inside another object contains the key title, then the string value, the content key, and with the corresponding value. And the English has the same structure, and also French is having the same structure. And for the keys, we can call the keys like this. Translate.title is going to call that key and use the translate to convert it to the string. Also, this translate.content key will be translated to the corresponding string with that specific language. Something like this. Maybe click on the Chinese button, it will show the Chinese text. The French button will show the French text. Click the English button, it will show the English text. These three buttons is going to change the language for us. Let's take a look how we do that. So basically, it's a change event. Inside, we put the code as the input parameter, and we just call this translate object.use the code. And for this translate, we are using injection mechanism here. We just define this translate object from this translate service, and this service is from the translate package. For the last file, we don't have to do anything for this example, and we need to do something under this app.module.ts. We need call our translate component. When we create this component, it will, if we use the command, it will automatically to add this component for us. And we need to import our translate module here, and we need to provide this loader property. Inside, we provide an object with the provide and use class, and translate loader is the provide, and the custom translate loader is the class we are going to use. So you need to import the translate module, translate loader, and also the custom translate loader class. So after we do this, we need to go to app component, and same thing, we define this translate object because app component is the entry component. After we apply the translate default language here, it will apply to all the components which are calling under this component. So currently under this component, we are just calling app translate component. So in your actual project, you might call the other components here as well. Then you only need to do this part at this main app component, and you need to detect whether you need to do something special when the language is changing or not. So for example, you change the language here, you can see which language you just change it to. Yeah, this pretty much like that. So yeah, that's all for this session. Yeah, next session we can take a look how we can directly apply this translate object in TypeScript file. Thanks for watching. See you next time.